Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today we got a really simple little project for you. Today we're going to be installing a battery tender connector to our 2022 KTM 390 Adventure. This is a super simple project. All you need is the battery tender plug, a Phillips head or JIS screwdriver, and the key to the bike. It's that simple. So all you got to do is come around here. First we're going to take our seat off. Set that aside. All right, once you get your seat off, what you want to do is you want to run your plug under this frame bracket here. And it's pretty simple. Red goes to red, black goes to black. Make sure you tighten those back up really thoroughly, and make sure you keep your screwdriver away from touching both contacts, because it will make quite a show if you don't. Huh? I like to run mine on the right side of the bike. I ride in the wintertime. I got a lot of heated gear, and most of the controllers are off the right side of the bike. So if you have your battery tender off the right-hand side, you can plug it in there without having something run across your body. And if your plug's on the other side, or you don't run heated gear, or you have a preference, then you can run it on the other side as well. All right, at that point, we're going to take it, we're going to run it down our frame rail. Run it down your frame rail. Run it through the frame rail like that. And you can take a zip tie, tie it to your frame right here, and that's it. Then you got a battery tender plug. All you have left to do is put your seat back on and go ride.